Hello everyone, this is Jamela over at Viva La Vintage for your home, and thank you again for joining me on another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous. Well, it's that time of year where we try to warm things up around the house. So in this video I'm going to show you my simple little styles that I did to warm down my home without breaking the bank. I started out by incorporating new pillowcases in the room, and that changes the whole look. I started adding more black pillowcases, and also my plants started to bloom a little bit more, and I added a couple of more, and that added an additional warmth in the space. So when you're thinking about just changing a few little things, it doesn't have to be a drastic change to say that you're warming up the room. I also added a little bar cart, and I changed out the lampshades, and that gave another look to this side as well. Also, while you're warming up your home, you want to switch out your fragrances. So instead of having the flowers and light airy kind of scents, you want to kind of bring the tone down a little bit. And this here fragrance by Southern Elegance Candle Company called Lexington, it has the hint of apples and bourbon, and it's just a warm and delightful smell. So having candles burning and your diffusers around, it really changes the ambiance of your space. So in my foyer, I also switched out pillows. I brought that tone down, and I added some more black mudcloth and gold mudcloth pillows onto the settee. That changed the look, and it also has a warm, inviting feel as well. And then it was also time for a change on the wall that's facing my bedroom when I come out. So I exchanged this. I took this out, and then I gave it more of a boho kind of feel. And that is what I currently have in this space. In the dining room, all I did was kind of switch out this painting here, and I brought this another thrifted paint picture that I found that I liked, and it kind of changed the feel, but I didn't want to do too drastic of a change, and just by changing out the vase on the table, I just brought in this black round one, and that was a nice simple look. And of course I added one more plant. So come on in and let's take a quick walk around. I hope you enjoyed my tips on how to warm your home without breaking the bank. And if you did, don't forget to like this video, drop me a comment, and don't forget to share. And also, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you again for watching, and happy hunting while you thrift your house into a home. See you in my next video.